my goodness. Daesung Universe, official MV. Daesung just came out with a mini album. It's been a while since he came out with like a Korean mini album, no? Okay, here's what I expect. I expect him to play drums, or at least be the one playing the drums, right? Because he's great at playing drums. I was just literally talking about this with my co-host Dana on Ultimate Bias K-pop cast, about his comeback, his I was gonna say debut. Anyways, it's your boy Dre. We're gonna check out Daesung. You know me, I'm a VIP, Big Bang. But Daesung, it's been a minute, man. It's been a minute. I've been watching his interviews on my Patreon. Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. Go follow my Patreon if you want to watch me react to his interviews, interviewing CL, Rose, Twice, Infinite, and a lot more. I think him as a host, in general, if you've been around watching Daesung like in variety shows, you know he's a good time. So, and to be honest, I'm very surprised that he's an introvert, but also people are surprised that I'm an introvert sometimes. So, without further ado, let's check out Daesung's universe in 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, we got the drums in. Whoa. Oh, the guitar? Oh, whoa. Okay, skinning. Oh, he's like in different universes. Ooh. What are you missing? Ooh. Boom, clap. Boom, boom. Oh. Whew. His voice. Bro, Daesung's a rock star though. He like a rock. Whoa. Oh, so many different people. I feel like Daesung is a rock star stuck in the K-pop universe. You know what I'm saying? You get it? Ooh. And he look good. Okay, English. Ooh. I like the setup of the set as well. It's pretty simple too. I like that like the guitar. Boom, boom. That part too. Oh, where's this? Yeah, I love it when he smiles too. That's a contagious like smile. Ooh. Wait, are those speakers gonna blast like color? Like those color powders? You know what I'm talking about? Oh, is that him as a kid? Ooh, I love that part right there. Oh, with a butterfly? Oh, come back. I was about to say, oh, I knew it. Even though this might be... Was that a fake shot? Maybe. Nothing wrong with it. I mean, obviously the butterfly's fake too. Like CGI. Maybe. That has to be. Maybe a little bit of real and fake. Like at least this part looks real. Just all the colors too is so nice. Oh. You know, I know Daesung more for like obviously being in Big Bang as a vocalist. Great voice, by the way. His trot voice too. Oh, thanks for following. And OSTs. Oh, it did say who. Let me see. It looks good too. I love the long hair, by the way. He've always had artist and producer, Daesung, executive producer, Sung Young Choi. Okay. Now he came out with like a whole like what do you call it? A mini album. That's what I was trying to get to. Hold up. Let me see if I could like display. There we go. A whole mini album. Let me see. Daesung. Or does it go by D-Light? No, it's Daesung. These waves. These waves. Like his waves. Oh, damn. He came out with something. He came out with like a lot. Oh, I might have to check this out on my own time. Hold on. Let me download. I'll probably like do a first listen and post it on like Patreon. If you guys want to check out my Patreon, link in the description. I'll be posting it over there for free. Be sure to follow me over there. It is free to follow, and then you can subscribe if you want to check out like other reactions to like movies that I've been reacting to. I reacted to recently to All the Boys I Loved Before. Don't ask me. It was requested. But Daesung, These Waves. Bro, every time I think of These Waves, my naughty ass mind thinks of these nuts. I'm so sorry. Anyways, let's check it out on Patreon. So if you want to watch me do a first listen, be sure to check it out. And I'll see you guys on Patreon. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe to repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of Exo Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.